अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल का नेम है महबूब खान। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकन भी प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे आने वाली न्यू वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको जल्द मिल सके। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है zenefusion रिव्यू एंड हाउ टू यूज़ इट। अगर आपको भी हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। स्टार्ट करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। एज ऑफ माई लास्ट अपडेट, there is not a widely recognized product or services specially named zenefusion. This could mean it either a very new product, a niche tools, or perhaps as latest now software or gadgets that has not gained much exposure. If the infusions pertain to a specific type of technology, tools, software, or product, additional detail will be essential to provide an accurate review and usage instructions. As a few questions that might help clarify. First is type of product. Is zenefusion is a physical gadget, a software application, or perhaps a services. Knowing the category can greatly narrow down the search and relevant details. Second is industry or use cases. What industry is it aimed at, or what specific problem does it solve? It is intended for personal use, business applications, education, health, etc. Third is features and specification. What are the key features, specifications of zenefusion? What does it claim to do? Once we have more contents about what zenefusions refer to, I can help with a more targeted review and guide on how to use it effectively. If you have any additional information or can specific further, please let me know. Explain. As of my last update, there is not a widely recognized product services, especially names, zenefusion. This could mean it's either a very new product, a niche tool, or perhaps a laser now software or gadgets that has not been much exposure. If zenefusion pertains to a specific type of technology, tools, software, or products, additional details will be essential to provide an accurate review and usage instructions. Here are a few questions that might help clarify. First is type of product. zenefusion is a physical gadget and a software application or perhaps for services. Knowing the category can greatly narrow down the search and relevant details. Second is industry or use cases. What industry is it aimed at or what specific problems that it solves? It is intended for personal use, business application, education, health, etc. Third is feature and specification. What are the key specifications of zenefusion? What does its claim do? Once we have more context about zenefusion, refer to I can help with more targeted review and guide on how to use it effectively. If you have any additional information or can specify further, please let me know how to explain it.